Hey guys, so today I have got the next Twisted Allure box to show you. If you haven't seen me open this before, it is an American box and it's $55. It's kind of like a horror, spooky bath and body sort of company. So they do shower gels, they do moisturizers, hand sanitizers, body sprays, body scrubs, soaps, all that kind of stuff. And it's all amazing and creepy and definitely some of my favorite bath things I've ever had. So they do ship worldwide. I'm just gonna say it because I know I'll get comments about it, but the shipping to the UK is very, very expensive. But they do ship it if you want it. Obviously some people don't mind that kind of thing. So we are just gonna open it and see what is inside. So I'm just gonna be honest, I have already filmed this and it didn't save, so unfortunately I have already seen everything that was in here, but that's fine. I'm just going to show you again. So I do have a discount code as well, which is LunaLily for 5% off. So I'll put that here now on the screen and I'll put it down below as well. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. So there's always lots of colourful little worms on the top. And this one is the June 2022 box, Gothic Summer. So on the back of this, it does tell you what comes in the box, but I'm just going to show you. You usually get between 5 and 6 full-size items. This one has 5. And a bit like some of the other boxes as well, the little card kind of gives you a theme of what is going to be in the box. So this one is like black, white and green mainly. So that is what this themed box is. So the first thing on the very top, I have taken it off the card already, but it's a little business card. Has their information on there, which I will put down below. And it comes with a little sample soap. So this one is called Bloom of Doom from the Summer line. And it is very floral. It's not really massively my kind of thing, but it still smells amazing though. It smells kind of like a perfume, I would say. It doesn't really smell like an old lady floral smell. It smells like a really expensive sort of floral perfume. So that is our little skull sample that came on the card. Then next, our first big item is a bath bomb. So this is called Rest in Beach. And it's a purple and silver, super, super sparkly, big bath bomb. The scent is black sea water. These are huge. You could definitely break this in half for 2 baths if you wanted to. It's a very masculine scent, this one. It's not like a sweet, fruity, floral smell. It's kind of like an aftershave-y sort of smell. Pretty fresh though. I do like it, but just if you were gonna buy something for someone who likes more masculine scents, I would definitely say that this is one of those. So we have this bath bomb. Then next we have one of these which I have never had from them before. It's a split scrub. So this one is called Ghoul Beach. And it's coconut and mahogany teak wood. So half of it is black and half of it is white. These are huge tubs. I don't know if it's really kind of showing just how big it is on camera. It's like nearly the size of my head. And they have these new little lids on as well, which pop open. So they're super easy in the shower or in the bath to use. You just click the little lid open. This one, again, kind of smells sort of masculine, but this coconut one is very sweet though. So it's got sort of an aftershave-y smell and sort of a sweet coconut smell. I would definitely mix both of them together, I think. I'm not going to touch it because obviously it's a sugar scrub and I don't have any water here, but they are really thick and really packed in there. So that is the Ghoul Beach Split Scrub. Next we've got some bath salts. I'm not sure I've ever had bath salts from them before, and they are called Death by Jellyfish. This jellyfish is very, very cute, and they are kiwi watermelon flavour. Now if you've watched me before, you'll know I don't love the scent of watermelon, but these are actually quite nice. I think the kiwi sort of balances it out a little bit. They just smell super, super fruity and fresh, and they're actually really nice. So that is the Death by Jellyfish bath salts. And then we've got two things left. So we've got a big body wash, and this one is just called Gothic Summer, like the box. And it's coconut, apples and mango, which sounds amazing. It says live, die, haunt on the side. Very cute. And it's got a little clicky lid as well, so it's super easy to use in the shower. I am going to unscrew the top though, just so I can smell it a bit better. This one I kind of expected to be a little bit more fruity because of the apple and mango, but it's actually very, very coconut. It's kind of like a creamy coconut sort of scent, I would say. And it's sort of like a pearlescent white colour in there. I don't know if it's really showing up very well on camera, but that is the Gothic Summer Body Wash. And then the last item in here, which I was the most excited about when I saw it, is this body lotion. So I have had the body butters from them before, and they are incredible. My favourite body moisturisers ever. This one is a little bit of like a thinner sort of one, the body lotion. It's in the scent Pink Berry Mimosa, which sounds incredible, and it's called Bird Bones. Again, super, super cute little label on there. These would make really cute like tattoo designs, honestly. It has a little lid which you twist to open like this. I'm gonna just use a bit. I've not even used any yet. So it comes out like this. It smells absolutely amazing. For some reason, all of their body lotions and moisturizers and stuff just smell amazing, and the smell stays for a good few hours as well. My absolute favorite one is the Peeps one that they've done at Easter time, and it's like a marshmallow scent. I love that more than anything. I still have it from years ago because I don't want to use it up because I love it so much. But yeah, this one is amazing. It smells really fruity, kind of like strawberry, raspberry sort of scented. Absolutely love it. So that was everything in the June 2022 box. I will quickly grab it all and show you all at once. So there was the Ghoul Beach Split Scrub, the Gothic Summer Body Wash, the Resting Beach Bath Bomb, the Death by Jellyfish bath salts, and the Bird Bones body lotion. So all of these items, along with the little sample soap as well in the Gothic Summer box. Absolutely loved it. There is never anything from Twisted Allure that I don't like. My favourite thing in this box was the body lotion. I just love the scent of it. I am more like a fruity kind of scent person really, so this one is my favourite. But you'll have to let me know what you thought of this box down below. I will put all of the information in the description for them in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.